Okay, this is part 2 of tutorial 7-1 in the GIS tutorial 1 book. We are we're going to create the polygons this on the bottom of the page. Now, it's not drawn very big, so it's hard to see, but basically it looks what they're doing is they're drawing polygons around all of these commercial, every one of these dots. So we're just going to, we're not worried too much about being real accurate here. Shouldn't do that, it's pretty hard to be accurate. Yeah, go down here, partway, I guess. Yeah, here, here, here. Yeah, looks like I got a little too much. That's okay. Double click. Down here, we are just going around all of these commercial areas here. So we want to select this and hit delete. And while we're at it, we'll select this one and we'll hit delete. And now we're going to create a new polygon. And so we'll start all about right here, I guess. And we'll go up to here. And down in the corner, and here, and down the corner, and here, 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 here. And double click on the last one. Okay. And we just that. So now let's do this one down here. Start there. Corner here. There. Right there. And double click, double click. Then we're going to go double click. Okay, well, right click on that. Delete vertex. And right click again and choose delete vertex. And so I've got a couple of them. Okay, now let's go back to our line segment here. And we're going to draw a little lines around these areas too. Right click on that. I'm going to zoom in a little bit here. So I'm going to start this intersection right here. Just go straight to this one. And here. And over here. Okay, I've got a little more than they did. And click. Okay, we've got a little area right here. We'll start right here. Here. We've got double click. We've got another little one right here. And then go to this corner here, and then here, and then here, here. Click on that. And it looks like I need to edit my vertices here, so I'm going to grab these ones want to create a new polygon. And let's start here, and it looks like it's all one big one. So here, 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 and that encloses all of them, so we can stop right there. So now this should, if I zoom back out here, this should match pretty much what they have in the book. Now, they made this stuff here a lot tighter than I did. Same thing here, they left this a little bit out. We've got this, and this, and this, and this, and just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We've got 8 different regions here. Okay? And I'm going to close this. And we're at top page 263. And we want to open the commercial zones attribute table. So let's go back to this view here, and our commercial zones. Open the attribute table, and there's not much there. Look in the first cell of the zone number field and type 1 and press enter. Okay, now what we probably need to do here is we want to number the same way that they did in the book. And so I numbered that wrong. That one is zone 7. So let's make that a 7. I'm sorry, this one is the one that's highlighted. So we'll make that a 7. And up here, let's go select another. Select this one. Select it here. Okay. And that one is zone 8. This one is zone 6. That one is zone 5. And whoops, I lost that one now. I lost that one down here. That one is zone 4. And this one is zone 1. Select this one. This is zone 2. And this up here is zone 3. Whoops. So now we can close the attribute table. We are now on the label commercial zones area on the middle page 263. Turn off the commercial properties layer. So let's turn that off. In the table of contents, right-click the commercial zones layer and click properties. Select the labels tab and type or make selections as shown. So we want to label the features here. We want zone number, the one we just put in, to be our label. We're going to make our symbol 12 points, and it's going to be aerial hold. Click on OK. We should see numbers now in each one of those shaded regions. Save the map document. And we'll save that, and now we are on, that's the end of tutorial 7-1, and we'll continue with 7-2 in the next video.